Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at the most inspiring body transformation images I've ever seen. These are some of my favorites of all time, very inspirational and represent a lot of hard work and dedication. Leave a comment below with your weight loss goals and click like for these body transformation superstars. Here we go, enjoy the images. Also, if you're interested in losing weight, maybe it's time to get an appetite suppressant. Appetite suppressants really work, and I'll put a link to my favorite below. It's energizing and doesn't make you nauseated. It's called Thynergy, and it gets my personal seal of approval. Thanks for watching.
Snooki shares the secrets to her 50-pound weight loss.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki, and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at Thynergy. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens. So I lost a lot of weight too, thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job.